Local news for Friday the 20th of March. Today is your last chance to get a nomination in for the Giles Rooking Carter Awards. Celebrating community success, the awards categories are vast and include the likes of Environment, Business and Young Leaders Awards. Entry forms are available from the Carterton Event Centre or Council website. Small earthquake was felt by some yesterday. The 3.7 quake struck at 4:18 p.m. and may be missed by many as it was located 5 kilometres southeast of Masterton at a depth of 40 kilometres. Local band The Bros is helping beat the boredom with people staying home and not venturing far due to COVID-19. The band will perform a free concert here tonight on Wairarapa TV and on Facebook, with the performance getting underway at 8:30. And New Zealand property prices have increased by a third since 2015, with February proving to be another strong month countrywide. In Wairarapa, property prices increased in all three districts in February, with Carterton and South Wairarapa experiencing phenomenal growth year on year. And good luck for the Bros tonight. Please join us from 8:30 on Wairarapa TV for the concert. For Wairarapa Local News, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.